Along with the rest of the country, the Meghalaya government today began its vaccination drive for teenagers aged 15 to 18. Deputy Chief Minister Prastun Song launched the drive at the Rinja State Dispensary, where he informed that the government aims to vaccinate the 2.6 lakh population in the 15 to 18 category within 3 to 4 months. He urged teenagers in the age group to vaccinate themselves against the coronavirus and also requested parents to ensure their children receive the dose.
Today is a very special day to the state government and also the people of the state in Meghalaya, because we were able to launch the vaccination drive of 15 to 18 years. And this is the aspiration of each and every citizens of the state. And we were really worried about the age of 15 to 18, because this is the age where we need to send our children, be it to institution, be it to school, whatever. I think this is the prime age for our children, our sons, our daughters. So now I'm really happy we were able to launch this, and I would request also the parents to come forward and also to request their children to make sure that they get themselves vaccinated. The population of 15 to 18 we have, I think, not more or less, it's about 2.6 lakhs. 2.6 lakhs population. So we would like to focus on this section of age, where I'm sure we'll be able maybe to complete within 3 or 4 months time. But that again, we leave it to the wisdom of the health department, the health officials. If need be, we can create more centers, more vaccination centers, or we can even go down to the village for getting them vaccinated. See, right now, thank God, in Meghalaya, the increase of coronavirus is not that much, and I'm sure we'll be able to contain it. But of course, from the government side, we don't sleep, and we make sure that anything, in case if increases takes place, everything is already in place where we can really go for a challenge. You see, the Omicron again is more or less a virus. So I think there is not much difference between Omicron and the Delta variant. It's more or less same. So of course the question of only mutation. Omicron, what they're saying is, the scientists say is that the mutation rate is very high. That we have to take care of it. But at the same time, maybe if needed from the government side, few more instructions, advisories, and maybe few restrictions can be in place for the safety of people in the state.
In line with the directive of the Union Ministry of Health, only Covaxin was administered to teens. Senior Medical Officer of Rinja State Dispensary, Dr. Hamar Babyang Sinmon, stated that the vaccine has a higher protection percentage against the Omicron mutant.
So, talking about Covaxin vaccine, it is made by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR and Virology Department, Pune. It is an inactivated vaccine. The vaccine has 2 dose interval. Between the 2 dose is 28 to 4 weeks, the gap between those 2 vaccines. It is mandated for the use of 15 to 18 years as authorized by the Government of India. It is mainly stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, no sub-zero storage. There is no diluent for the vaccine. And the difference between the Covaxin and Covishield, Covaxin is not used for 18 plus right now in our state, whereas Covishield is not used for below 18 years in our state. The efficacy of the vaccine is 78%, whereas the protection rate is 93%. There are few contraindications of these vaccines which are similar to that of Covishield, which will be mild pain in the right arm, in the left arm, vaccinated arm, mild fever, mild dryness of throat, mild cold symptoms, etc. There are no major allergic reaction till now confirmed due to this vaccine. So coming to the introduction of this vaccine to the age group 15 to 18, I myself personally think it is a big honor for the government of India to release this vaccine to our youths, because it has been hampering their studies, their travelings in almost all matters of their life. Because after every 10 days, while they do their normal duty, their normal schooling, college, every 10 days of life they have to get RT-PCR done. But with the early introduction of this vaccine, it will help our youths to perform their activities normally without any disturbance. And on the other part, the main thing is they will get a protection, especially from the ongoing virus, along with the upcoming Omicron virus, because it has been proven that even Covaxin has a higher protection against the new upcoming Omicron virus. So to end my sentence, I like to say that I request each and every youth of our state to come ahead and to get their jab as soon as possible, so that we get protected from this virus. And since we all know prevention is the best cure.
51 plus already registered and vaccinated. So many boys and girls came up with enthusiasm, and around 8:30 this morning, most of them they already in the queue for today, waiting for vaccination. Inaugurate start at 10 a.m. but already so many boys and girls came out waiting for vaccination.
As cases of Omicron are being recorded in several states, the recipients of the vaccine at Rinja State Dispensary stated that they feel much safer after taking the vaccine.
To feel safe and secure getting the vaccine that prevents us from getting this virus, protect ourselves.
Good morning. We are all 15 years and above, and we have taken the Covaxin vaccine, and we encourage all the youth from 15 years to 18 age to come and take the Covaxin vaccine.
Hello, I'm Angita Nath. I'm sister of Vishwadeep Radhi, 17-year-old now. I'm very happy that Covaxin has come, and now my brother is getting vaccinated against COVID-19. Because in my house we have 5 members and all the 4 of us were vaccinated until my brother. So we were only scared because we know COVID-19, the only way to tackle COVID-19 is the precautions. And now that the vaccine has come, it gives us more assurance that my brother is a little more protected against this disease and ready to fight it better. So I'm very happy. Thank you so much.
हेलो, सबसे पहले नमस्ते एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स। मेरा नाम सुजल सिंह है और मैं कक्षा 10वीं में पढ़ता हूं, और मैं आज कोविड वैक्सीन लगा चुका हूं। और मैं मुडा कॉम्प्लेक्स में कोविड वैक्सीन लगाई है। मुझे आधे घंटे तक कुछ वैसा वीकनेस या वैसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, और मैं अपने जितने भी मेरी उम्र के 17 अंडर 18 अंडर के मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, भाई बहन हैं, सब वैक्सीन लगाइए। दिस विल हेल्प यू।